Hello, Jeff Wellborn with Hardware Resources, here to tell you about our metal drawer boxes. We offer this in 2 heights, and in each height we offer 4 links. Undermount slides, your 2 sides, rear drawer box clips, and your instructions. Okay, what you will have to supply is your drawer box bottom material, your drawer back material, and the drawer front material. The width of the pieces you provide are easily calculated with a formula that starts with the inside dimension of your drawer opening width. Back and bottom pieces need to be 5/8 inch thick, or you will have to mill the edges to 5/8 inch. The drawer mounting clips allow for up, down, and left to right adjustments. After your slides are installed in your frameless cabinet, the drawer box will slide in behind the rear hook and snap into place. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.